So can you tell me about Skyway Global's business activities in the Asia Pacific?
This year has been a bit of a challenge. We're doing quite well in the early stages of the year, but it's tapered off the last couple of months. One of the things that's to our advantage is that we have strategic partners such as Gilat and iDirect that have offices in Asia and are very aggressive in the marketplace. So that helps significantly. Their business has been up and down, but doing better. We also have good distributors and partners in the region that we work through. Indonesia has been very strong for us. Our distributor there, Antamediacom, has been quite good for us. Our relationship with Thaicom has also been a long-term relationship, and we've done quite well with them. So I think we're positioned well going into the future, and I think that we'll be doing all right.
Have you had to adapt your strategy in any way to deal with the changes in Asia?
Yeah, a little bit. Early on, there was the perception that Ku-band couldn't work, and especially in Southeast Asia. With some of the launches of the new satellites, the improved technology in the modems, etc., we're starting to see Ku-band starting to pick up a little bit. We're seeing more Ku-band networks going in, so you have to be flexible there. There'll be some new satellites launched using Ka-band, and I think Australia and China specifically will do quite well in the Ka-band realm.
Any other specific key trends in Asia which are catching your eye?
Not really. I mean, I think that's just it. I mean, I think the Ku-band starting to take off because of lack of C-band capacity and the improvement in availability numbers for Ku-band. And again, as I say, the Ka-band. Before, you never dreamed of having Ka-band in Asia. I've had some meetings already this week with customers in China that are very interested in Ka-band. So that's a new trend for sure.
China's a difficult market, though, isn't it?
It's a very difficult market. It's very challenging. 10 years ago, there were not that many Chinese manufacturers. So as a U.S. manufacturer, we penetrated the market, did quite well. Now there's a lot of local competition. So that is a challenge. I will say this, though, that there are some networks that are very critical to the customers, and they don't mind spending a little extra maybe to get a Western technology or whatever. Not that our technology is superior, it's just that they don't mind spending a little bit more money for that kind of a network.
Now, you are a land terminal partner within Inmarsat Global Express. How important is that?
Inmarsat has a reputation for doing things the right way. I mean, they've been in the market for years. This GX project is a brand new endeavor for them. They've done it the right way. They've gone out and aligned themselves with strategic partners that are in certain verticals, whether it be land-based or aero or maritime. We feel very honored and fortunate that they selected us for the land-based. But they've kind of strategically done that. They've gone through and said, okay, for aero, this is who we need to align with. For maritime, this is who we need to align with. So when they came to us for the land-based, they had a plan that, hey, we want to align with people that know what they're doing, that have been doing this for years. We've delivered over 1 million Ka-band terminals. To Inmarsat, Ka-band is a new technology. To us, it's a proven technology. So it's a great opportunity for us, and I think they're doing it the right way, and we're working very hard with them to develop the right products.
So going forward, what are the biggest challenges that are going to face you as a company?
Again, you're going to have local competition, manufacturers in China and India that are producing similar products. It's keeping up with the technology. Yes, we've been doing Ka-band a long time, but a lot of the new satellites, the HTS that are going up, have different frequency plans, so developing the new hardware to meet those frequency plans, those challenges. It's an ongoing R&D, NRE cycle of always trying to stay on the leading edge, working with satellite operators, trying to develop the technology that matches what they're developing.
And is there anything, talking generally about the satellite sector, are there any obstacles on the horizon that could affect what has so far been quite a resilient sector?
Ooh, boy, that's a tough question. I guess staying on the theme of Ka-band, there's still that perception, just like there is with the Ku-band, about rain fade or whatever. There's that challenge with all of these HTS birds that are going up, that is Ka-band really going to be the solution? Is that really going to give us what we want? Yes, you can take a 1 meter antenna and do 20 megabits up or whatever, depending on the scheme. That's a wonderful thing because it's all about the bandwidth, but you have to prove that technology. These people are investing billions of dollars launching these satellites, so it's in our best interest to develop a product that works with those satellites. The challenge is to get the customer to buy into it. So we'll see how that works. I'm excited about where satellite is going. I've been doing this for 30 years. I remember when they said satellite's going to go away because of fiber. That didn't happen. There are networks out there where fiber backs up the satellite because satellite's more reliable. I think that's going to continue to be the trend. O3b, they're trying to reach those people that are not connected via fiber, not connected via the typical means. I think that we're on the edge of something really exciting that could deliver bandwidth to people that otherwise couldn't get it.
Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome.